Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that has been praised for its exceptional nutritional value and countless health benefits. From improving bone health and reducing inflammation to aiding in weight loss and improving skin health, spinach is a versatile vegetable that offers a range of benefits for our bodies. In this video, we will discuss 5 ways eating spinach benefits your health and body function. Firstly, spinach is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, K, iron, and calcium, which are essential for maintaining a healthy body. Secondly, spinach contains a high concentration of antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Thirdly, spinach has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Additionally, spinach has a high fiber content that can help regulate digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and aid in weight loss. Spinach is a nutrient-packed leafy green vegetable that can have remarkable benefits on your health and body function. Spinach is a great source of antioxidants that can help prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Spinach contains high levels of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and improves iron absorption. Spinach's high potassium content may help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Also, spinach is an excellent source of fiber that promotes digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Finally, its low-calorie content makes it ideal for weight management, promoting satiety, and reducing the risk of obesity. Incorporating spinach into your diet can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. In conclusion, spinach is a nutrient-dense food that provides numerous health benefits. From promoting healthy digestion to reducing the risk of cancer, spinach has a lot to offer for overall health and body function. Incorporating spinach into your diet is easy and delicious, whether it's in a salad, smoothie, or cooked dish. By making spinach a regular part of your meals, you can reap the many benefits of this powerhouse vegetable and improve your overall health and well-being.